Hi, this is Health and Yum, where we whip up delicious recipes with a dash of nutrition and a sprinkle of fun. My name is Alina, and today we are making a chicken wrap recipe that is a treat for your taste buds and a match made in heaven for your brain. This is one of the easiest recipes you can make. In fact, I think it barely qualifies as a recipe. Once you gather all your ingredients, you wrap them in a soft tortilla and suddenly your lunchtime becomes a lovely adventure. Okay, let's get this wrap party started. This recipe makes 4 wraps, but today I'll show you how to assemble one of them. First up, we spread some creamy mayo on the tortilla. Now it's time to pile on the goodies. Because every wrap deserves a green hug, let's add a generous bed of crisp lettuce right in the middle. Lettuce is one of the brain's best friends, packed with folate, a fantastic B vitamin that boosts cognitive function and mental clarity. Even more, its high antioxidant content protects the brain from inflammation. Next, the succulent cooked chicken takes center stage on the lettuce bed. If you'd like to turn this into a vegetarian wrap, omit the chicken and use chickpeas or tofu. Now, let's bring in the dynamic duo flavor, the juicy tomatoes and the colorful bell pepper. Who knew they'd make such a perfect match? Bell pepper are amazing brain defenders because they are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and carotenoids. Bell peppers are also a rich source of vitamin B6 and folate that play an important role in neurotransmitter function and overall brain communication. And we are not done yet. It's time to sprinkle on some delightful black olives because, we love a little surprise in every bite. Black olives are the brain's little helpers, bringing awesome monounsaturated fats and polyphenols to create a rockstar team that boosts blood flow to the brain and keeps inflammation at bay. And now the cheese, the crown jewel of any wrap. If you're feeling adventurous, feel free to drizzle on a little ketchup and mustard. And there you have it, a masterpiece of flavors, colors, and love, all wrapped up in a tortilla. My family and I eat them often as it's one of our favorite recipes in our meal rotation. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite chicken wrap ingredients? If you like this recipe, please subscribe for more yummy and healthy recipes, and I'll see you in the next video where we make a heart-healthy chicken salad recipe that is fresh and loaded with nutrients. It's perfect for busy days as it's quick, easy, and keeps well in the fridge.